everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days. So today I am just experimenting, playing with paint colors and just playing in paint. I'm gonna go ahead and get this disclaimer out, so hopefully nobody is saddened, disappointed. What you see right here at the beginning and what comes after it is not what you're gonna get at the end. I don't want nobody to be disappointed, like I said. So I just thought I'd go ahead and just put that out there on the table. The reason being was because if I wanted to wait a week, maybe more, for this painting to dry, then it would have stayed. But seeing how I didn't want to have to do that, some of this paint had to go. A good 260 milliliters to be exact. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy it from beginning to end. Both looks. If not, I'm sorry. Again, I'm here experimenting with colors and different ways of putting it on the canvas. So yeah, can't please everybody. I'm so sorry. But hopefully you are pleased. I really hope you are. All right, with all of that being said, I want you guys to remember to click the thumbs up button to show me some love. If you are new to the channel, make sure you click the thumbs up button, and more importantly, click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you know when I'm dropping new videos on my channel. If you're already an existing subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for rocking it out with me and being here with me. And to my new ones, I ask that you stay and enjoy the ride. You never know what's gonna come out from me, because yeah, I'm different. Okay guys, I'm gonna let y'all get back to the video. Again, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the notification bell, drop me a comment, and don't forget to share. All right, until the next one, I'll see ya. Bye.